Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to limit how much storage Apple Music takes up on your iPhone. As an Apple Music subscriber, you can download songs, playlists, and albums for offline listening, but over time, this can take up a lot of your device's storage. It's a great way to free space without losing all your downloaded songs. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way to Apps section. Now on this screen, scroll down and tap on Music. Then tap on Optimize Storage under the Download section. You'll see a switch for Optimize Storage. Turn that on. Now you're going to see options to set a maximum amount of space for music, like 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, or 128 GB. By default, it's set to none, so you'll want to pick whatever works best for you. When your downloaded songs go over that limit, Apple Music will automatically remove the least played tracks. That way, you'll keep your favorites while freeing up space. If you ever want to change it, just come back to this setting and pick a different limit, or turn off Optimize Storage completely. Alright, that's it. Simple but super handy. You can also keep an eye on your storage by turning off automatic downloads and just downloading new songs manually when you need them. If you'd rather handle it yourself, there's also an option to remove downloaded songs one by one in the Apple Music app, instead of letting Apple offload them automatically. Hope this helps you manage your storage better. Drop a comment if you want to see more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.